Welcome back to Jen's Hangout. Today, different location. Woohoo! Anyway, today we're doing domestic goddess video. So, some of us, the playlist will be linked down below as per usual, and some of us are doing pots and pans. They're going to be either organizing their pots and pans cabinet or like cleaning up some really nasty pans. I don't need to do that. And then others will be cleaning out their pantries. I don't have a pantry, but I have a spice pantry. And as you guys will see, it is a right mess. I think I have spices in there that are like 20 years old. So, we're going to go through this. This is my spice cabinet. And then I have spices over here. You can see right there. I have a whole bunch of spices right there. So I'm going to try and get some of those in here. I have a new organizer to go in there. Because the organizers that are in there, I don't like, and I don't like how they work. So the goal is to get it all cleaned up and to get it organized. And so most of this will be sped up, obviously, because, you know, it's going to take me a long time to do this. But, so I'm going to get everything kind of set up, and then I'll be right back and we'll get going. So welcome to my kitchen. It's a mess. Okay, here we go. This is my spice cabinet. And like I said, I got a bunch of spices over here all along my stove and that kind of stuff, or more commonly used stuff. But I want to try and get as much as I can in here so I can have more counter space, because I only have about this much counter space in my whole kitchen. I have a very small kitchen. So we're going to get started. And we're going to go through all this stuff. So let's get to it. Okay, now I'm going to go sit down and try and put this thing together and figure out how I want to put it in there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we have this one, right? We're going to go get another one. So I sent the hubby to the store to go get another one. Because what we're going to do is we're going to add, it comes with 2 shelves, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do just one of these over here and put all the tall stuff over here and all the short stuff over here. And so we're going to shorten this and put another shelf over here and put all the shorter you know, like this kind of stuff. And then like all of the little bottles I've got, because I've got lots and lots of little bottles. Like I've got these little bottles, that kind of stuff. And then, you know, your typical smaller McCormick bottles, these ones. I've got lots of those, right? So we're going to put those all on this side, and then we'll put like our liquid, you know, this kind of stuff over here. So that's the plan, Stan. But right now, what we're going to do is I am going to go through all of these spices and get rid of them. We're going to clean out, right? So, I'm going to get the garbage set up. And then I'm going to consolidate as well. So, and then when he gets back from the store, we'll change that around. So, because like I have tons of these, you know, loose spices, and I really like to get them in containers. And I have a bunch of plastic containers underneath my counter in my Tupperware stuff, Rubbermaid containers that I never use for food storage. So I'm going to use them for my spices, and then I'll just label them. And they're clear, so it'll work. So let's get going through this. I'm going to go grab my vanilla. So I'll be right back. So this is my bottle of homemade vanilla. There's 6, I think. 6 or 7 vanilla beans in there. And so I have a couple more I'm going to add to this mix somewhere. But I wanted to take some of this. This has been aging since 2019. 2019? No. 2018. I can't remember. August of either 2018 or 2019. And it hasn't been opened since then. So, but this is also homemade vanilla. This is a batch that my mom made. But this is made with Myers rum. This is made with vodka. But I'm going to add this to this so that I have convenient vanilla here. And then I'll go get more rum later. Add it to this. This will be my mother jar. And I will add the vanilla beans as well. You get where I'm going with that. So, I'm gonna do okay, now that the vanilla is all taken care of, the spices that I really need to go through, right, are the ones right over here on my butcher block. So I'm going to bring them over here slowly. we've got the shelves in. This side, we're going to put like baking sprays, vinegars, you know, sesame oil, that kind of stuff over here. You know, the odd stuff, right? And then over here is going to be the bulk of the spices. So we have lots of different size bottles. So that's what's going to go over there. So I'm going to get to it. Let's do this.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
Okay, so there it is, all organized. It probably doesn't look organized any more than it was, but it really is. All organized. And the coolest thing is that almost all of my spices that were there are gone. So I have more counter space, which is fabulous and a must-have. So, go check out the playlist down below. There will be a mystery giveaway, just so you know. The word is spices. You must be subscribed to all of the ladies that are in the playlist down below. Publicly subscribed. You have to have a U.S. shipping address and you must be 18 years or older. YouTube is not affiliated with this in any way, shape, or form. And we're going to have this run for like a week-ish. We'll say a week. We'll go until the 20th. How about that? And I will draw on the 20th, so it'll end at midnight Pacific Standard Time on the 19th. And I will draw the winner then. Like I said, you got to use the word spices. And there you go. So, blessings to you all. Watch the playlist. Check out all of the lovely domestic goddesses. And I will see you guys later. Bye.